Hi, my name is Sumit. I'm 34 years of age. I live in Chandigarh and do a job in IT industry. I work as an senior support technical engineer and I have to deal with multiple problems, multiple queries of the customers, responding to them over email, sometimes over the calls or different channels. Now, if you talk about this PTEX mastery course, I learned about this mastery course from YouTube when I was like just browsing through the YouTube. I found the course about this, and when I saw different modules, I found the AI to be very much interesting, and it can help me do my work in a very quick way and very easy way. So I bought this course. And now when I'm doing when the when all the mentors are giving me the demonstrations of different things how we can use the AI, it's really much like helpful for me, and with this information I'm able to do my work in a very quick way and very easy way. It's very much helpful in doing all the daily tasks for me. So thank you, B10x, and thank you, Master Course. It's really enjoying the sessions. Thank you.